Hello guys, so welcome back to another tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make your Windows PC 10 or 11 times faster than it already is. So you're going to go here to windows.r command. This is the run command, and I want you to type msconfig. Once you've clicked on msconfig, this will pop up. So I want you to, if yours is put on normal startup, you can put selective startup, so you can select what you want. So this will basically make your startup time faster. So after that, I'm gonna go to the next tab, which is boot. So on boot, I want you to click on the windows you have. If you have multiple windows, you click just on the windows you have, then you click on advanced option. Then here is where you want to change the number of processors. You want to check that and then set it to the maximum number of processors that you have on your machine. So mine currently has 4. You can see it already, it only one was selected. Then click on OK. Once you've clicked on OK, we're gonna go to the next tab, which is services. Don't change anything. Then I want you to go to your task manager. When you click on your task manager, you're gonna see the startup apps that are there. As you can see, my last boot time was 11 seconds. I've just disabled, which one? How do I disabled? This one is on which I've disabled OneDrive. So if you want to disable anything else, you can disable it here depending on the startup impact that it has. So this one was higher, disabled it. So you can also disable Spotify, but I've chosen not to. Then once you're done with that, you can click on close, and the tools, don't change anything here. So you're gonna click on apply and OK. Then it's gonna tell you to restart. So what I recommend you to do is click on restart. But for me, I'm not gonna click on restart because I have to finish this video. So I'm gonna exit without restart, and once I've done my recording, I'm going to restart my machine. So that's a quick and easy way of making your Windows machine way faster, so that it can be optimal for whatever you want to do. So if you found this helpful, like and subscribe and share with somebody.
Perfect.